Just me again, folks. This is one of my absolute favourite places. Sitting by the river. Been coming across here since I was knee-high to a grasshopper, as they say. Used to climb the trees with one of my dad's old fishing knives in my mouth, thinking it was some sort of Rambo or something again. It was good times, good memories across here. So it's Lord Ancram's Woods, where New Battle Abbey is. Not a soul to be seen today, which is just perfect. It's a different story at the weekends. At the weekends it can get very busy. And obviously during the better weather. Yep. I think I'll have my ashes scattered here. Probably from the wee bridge, the wooden bridge up there. Yeah. Anyway, it's good to just get out and breathe a bit and take some time out. Stay safe, folks. See you later.